Everyone, this is Maggie back with a really simple craft for you. Just a little decor thing that you can display in your house all year round. It'll cover all seasons. What you want to do is pick up a bunch of these wood blocks that are unfinished. And I got these at Michael's Craft Store. You could probably get them online as well. They are 3.5 inches, just so you're aware of the size. And I purchased 6 of these for this project. And you can paint it any color. I chose to go with this pewter gray that you guys have seen me use a lot. That's the theme I've got going on in my apartment. So you'll just get 6 of these, paint them whatever color you like. You can also stain them if you want to do that. They are real wood, so stain will take. So yeah, however you want these to look, paint them, stain them, and then what you're going to do is pick out some paper. I just used some scrapbook paper I had lying around, and you're going to cut them down to fit your blocks. You can decide exactly how much of a border you want. If you want a wider border, if you don't want any border, you can size them to fit exactly. I'm just going to tell you the specific size of mine. If you're doing the 3.5 inch blocks, it's about 3.25. And you want to choose 4 different papers: summer, fall, winter, and spring. So I have something that looks like water for summer, a nice like harvest pumpkin pattern for fall, and snowflakes for winter, and some pretty flowers for spring. So you want to just slice all your papers down to the proper size. And then I'm going to be using Mod Podge to glue my papers on. You want to make sure you get the whole surface really well so that it sticks, the whole piece of paper sticks to your wood. You definitely want to give ample time in between painting your blocks and gluing the paper on. It's actually been several days for me in between paint and glue. And that's how you're going to start off. So glue all of your papers on, and then we will be back to put our letters on. And I'll tell you a few different ways how we can do it. And I'll show you what I chose to do. See you in a bit. Alright, so we are back with our finished blocks. You should have 6 that look like this. And I should have mentioned before, leave the top and bottom of your block blank. So that way it's the easiest way to make sure you have your papers all on the right side, that they will line up. So what we can do for our letters, you're just going to need the 4 seasons. And for fall, you're going to want to use autumn instead, so they're the same number of letters. Unless, if you don't want to, if you do prefer to use fall, you'll just have 2 blocks that won't have a letter, you can put a leaf or a pumpkin or something like that if you'd like to. What I've done is I have cut letters on my machine. They're 2 3/4 inches tall. That's about as tall as you can really fit on these blocks. You can use any kind of stickers you might find in the craft store. You could also use a stencil if you want to draw or paint your letters on. You can use rub-ons. Any way you want to put letters on here is fine. I'm just going to be using decals. Just try to make sure you get it nice and centered. And also, definitely make sure they're large enough and make sure they're centered and that they pop. So yellow certainly doesn't match my blue-green paper. It does go with it though. So it's a nice pop of yellow for the summer. So here we've got our first season done. So that's all you're gonna do really, is just put paper on, put your letters on, and you're gonna have 1 season per side. And there you have it, our finished seasonal decor. You can put your letters side by side like this. You can stack them on top of each other to make a tall tower if you'd like. And there you have all 4 seasons. I hope you have all enjoyed this craft, and I hope this will decorate your home all year round. If you make one, definitely send us a picture. I would love to see how it came out, and I will catch you guys in our next video.